Namaskaram. On the auspicious occasion of Mahashivratri, I have chosen Chandrachuda Shivashankara, a beautiful composition of Purandaradasa, to do a Sahitya Vivarana. This walkthrough of the composition is an attempt to connect more to the composition, to understand the lyrics and the Bhakti Bhava of the Vagyakara through the lyrics. Here it is Purandaradasa. I will be singing line and give you a gist of the line. I have taken a few blogs as reference and made this available for you. I hope you like it. चन्द्रचूड शिवशङ्कर पार्वती रमणा निनगे नमो नमो चन्द्रचूड शिवशङ्कर पार्वती रमणा निनगे नमो नमो. The one who wears Chandra, the moon, as Chudamani, a jewel worn on head, Parvati Ramana, he is the Ishvara of Parvati, Parameshwara, Ninage to you, Namo Namo. ಸುಂದರ ಮೃಗಧರ ಪಿನಾಕಧನುಕರ ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಗಜ ಚರ್ಮಾಂಬರಧರ. Pinaka Dhanukara, the one who is holding a bow named Pinaka. Gangadhara, the one who wears Ganga on his head. Gaja Charmambaradhara, the one who is wearing an elephant skin. In the Charanam, Nandivahana Nandadinda Mor Jagadi Merave Neene. ನಂದಿವಾಹನ ಆನಂದದಿಂದ ಮೂರ್ಜಗದಿ ಮೆರವೆ ನೀನೆ. You are the one who travels through the ಮುಲ್ಲೋಕಾಲು on your ವಾಹನ ನಂದಿ with bliss. ಅಂದು ಅಮೃತ ಘಟದಿಂದುದಿಸಿದ ವಿಷ ತಂದು ಭುಜಿಸಿದವನೇನೆ. You are the one who consumed the poison, a selfless act of supreme compassion during Samudra Madaram for Amrutam. ಕಂದರ್ಪಣ ಕ್ರೋಧದಿಂದ ಕಂತೆರೆದು ಕೊಂದವು ಉಗ್ರನು ನೀನೆ. Kandarpa is Manmadha. You are the fearful one who burnt Manmadha with your third eye to ashes. If you see, Purandaradasa is showing the extremities of Shiva. You are the most compassionate one and at the same time the fearful one. ಇಂದಿರೇಶ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನ ಪಾದವ ಚಂದದಿ ಹೊಗಳುವ ನೀನೇ. Indiresha, you are the one who chants Lord Rama. ಬಾಲಮೃಕಂಡ ಜನಕಾಲನು ಎಳೆವಾಗ ಪಾಲಿಸಿದವನೇನೆ. The son of Mrikanda, Markandeya, you are the one who saved Markandeya. ವಾಲಯದಿ ಕಪಾಲ ಪಿಡಿದು ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ಬೇಡು ದಿಗಂಬರ ನೀನೆ. You are the one who holds a kapala and do the bhiksha. You are the digambara. ಕಾಲಕೂಟವ ಪಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ ನೀಲಕಂಠನು ನೀನೆ. Kalakuta is a poison. You are the Neelakantha, the one who consumes Kalakutava, very dreadful poison. ಜಾಲ ಮಾಡಿದ ಗೋಪಾಲನೆಂಬ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಮರುಳಾದವನೇನೆ. You are the one who fell for the magic spun by Hari or Gopala as Mohini. ಧರೆಗೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕಾವೇರಿ ತೀರ ಕುಂಭಪುರ ವಾಸನು ನೀನೇ. ಧರೆಗೆ on the earth, Dakshina Kaveri Tira, Kumbhapura Vasanu Nine. You are the one who resides in the Kumbhapura, which is along the banks of Kaveri Nadi. ಕೊರಳಲು ಭಸ್ಮ ರುದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಧರಿಸಿದ ಪರಮ ವೈಷ್ಣವನು ನೀನೇ. You're the one who wears bhasma and rudraksha. You're the Parama Vaishnava. So, in terms of bhakti, Hari and Hara are to be considered as different manifestations of the Supreme One. ಕರದಳಿ ವೀಣೆಯ ನುಡಿಸೆವನಮ್ಮ ಹುರಗಭೂಷಣನು ನೀನೇ. You're the one who holds Veena. Uraga is snake. You're the one who wears snake around your neck. It is said that the Veena of Shiva is Rudra Veena, while there are other names for the Veenas of Vishnu, Narada, and Sharadamba. ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಪ್ರಿಯನು ನೀನೇ. Garuda Gamana, the one who flies on eagle, Vishnu. You are the Prana Priya of Vishnu, the dearest to Vishnu. Throughout the composition, Purandaradasa shows how much Vishnu Priya Shiva is and how much Shiva worshipping is Hari in the avatars of Rama. I hope you like the attempt of this Sahitya Vivarana. Pardon me if you find any mistakes, and wishing you all an auspicious Mahashivratri in advance. Thank you. Namaskaram.